put your eye level in. I'm sitting down, so this line here, which is about halfway up, well, halfway from the top of my page down, it's about halfway, is where if I hold my pencil out and line it up with where it hits the architecture, it hits the doorknobs here on the doors, and so that I know is where I've got to put my eye level in, and I can relate everything else to it. Now, it's important this, because perhaps everybody could just look at my drawing for a second, but the lines of the woodwork on the glass doors that are close to the eye level should be more horizontal. So these two lines are relatively more horizontal because they're closer to the eye level, whereas the line that is higher above my eye level comes down at an angle, and similarly on the other side. And it also affects the top angle of the door, so that if you can see this door, it's open. And in order to make it look open, I've had to angle it down. Now, this should be the most acute angle, this one at the top, more acute than that. So obviously my eye level is a horizontal, and then as the lines of the woodwork go above the eye level, they start to create angles, and that's important. The ones below this eye level are going up to my eye level. So if I carried that line through, it would hit the eye level like that. Similarly, this one, it goes up to the eye level. Now, I'm not going to leave that. These are called, what, if I was going to give you the right term, are called orthogonals. They're the lines that you can't see that are created by perspective. And similarly, the bottom of the door is also an angle, and this one is even more acute because it's more open, and this door is narrower, okay, because it's more open, so I can see less of it. This door is not quite as open, so I can see a bit more of it. The line through here, which is a horizontal, is the carpet, the edge of the rug, and then there's various other horizontal lines which I will put in, which are part of the far wall as it goes out towards the window. Okay, so I mean, the subject can be absolutely simple, well, relatively simple, but if you draw it well and make it interesting, it can turn into something else, a bit like that one I sent you.
So you just want us to use the charcoal and the chalk?
Yes.
No other colours?
No.
Okay.
Just going to be, I mean, I'll just show you again. I mean, this drawing here, in fact, I drew it in with charcoal first, but I used a little bit of white as a highlight, you know, to create highlights on things. I mean, in my drawing I'm doing this evening, I'm actually working mainly with white, and then I will introduce the charcoal as well in due course. But I like the combination of the both, and I like drawing with both. It seems appropriate for my subject because it's all white woodwork, that I'm going to use white. But in the windows, which I can see outside, is dark, so I shall make those dark because that's the outside. And what I'm seeing through the glass into the other room is relatively dark, so I'll just use my charcoal for that. So just a combination of the two materials, and it's a bit like an extension of what we did last week. We're working with tones in order to create the subject.